Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pecan pralines. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of pecans, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget ½ cup of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure to have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper ready for later. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy saucepan, combine your ½ cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and the can of sweetened condensed milk. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat. It's important to keep stirring to prevent burning. Continue cooking until the mixture thickens and reaches the soft ball stage, which is about 235 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Once your mixture reaches the correct temperature, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Stir in your 1½ cups of pecans and then add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing everything thoroughly. Work quickly here, as the mixture will start to set. Drop spoonfuls onto your prepared parchment paper, forming individual pralines. They will begin to cool and firm up. Let your delicious pecan pralines cool completely on the parchment paper. This usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour, ensuring they set perfectly. Once they are firm, gently peel them off the paper. Store your homemade pralines in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their freshness. For more great tips and deals, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below. Enjoy your sweet, homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.